Now let us see, Z is a normal variable. If Z is a normal variable, you have the following results. Number 1, probability Z is less than A is equal to phi of A. Probability Z is greater than A, that is the opposite of less, greater than A, that is 1 minus phi of A. Then I have probability Z between A and B, that is phi of B minus phi of A. So these are the 3 results that you should know by heart. However, you should know the following as well. Phi of minus A is equal to 1 minus phi of A. Now let's take a look. How are we going to calculate phi of 1.235? Now 0.1.235. So we'll go back to our normal distribution table, which I have on my right hand side here. So this is a normal distribution function. This is the normal curve. It has a bell shape and it is symmetric about the y-axis. You have to remember these results as well. So we are looking for phi of 1.235. So if you look at the table on top, you have the small letter Z on the left, right here. Then it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9, and then you are given another column where there is an important word here, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll come back to that about add later on. For the time being, let us concentrate on phi of 1.235. So the first 2 figure is 1.2. So I'll look for it in the column for Z. Like you can see here, I have 0, 0.1, 0.2, etc., 1.0, 1.1, and 1.2 is right here. Now, for ease of calculation, okay, I have to look for 1.2. Remember, we are looking for phi of 1.235. So I'll go with the number associated with column number 3. So if I move here, when I stop here 8.907, you will see on top that is column number 3. So I have 1.2 and then column number 3, 8907. So we have reached up to 1.23. Now we have to look for 5. What does that 5 mean? This means you go on the far right hand side, look at the 5th column, and then you come downward to look at the corresponding value on the same line. So if, as you can see here, the number 9, if I continue, it goes up to 1.2. So therefore 1.2, that is column number 3, 8907, and take 8907, and then if I continue up to the 5th column, I've got number 9. So I'm going to add 8907 with number 9. So if you add them, 7 plus 9, that is 16, that is 198. So the answer is simply 0.8916. So this is how we find phi of 1.235. I'll go through it quickly. So as I've told you, you can use a ruler. As I told you before, the question is phi of 1.235. So you can use a ruler to do it. I'm just using a wedding card at the moment, but you use a ruler, please. So I have 1.2, which is here, column number 3, 8907, and if I continue, I look at the 5th number, 2467, that's the 5th number, which is 9. Therefore, I'll have 8907 plus 9, which is 0.8916. So this is how we will find phi of 1.235.